Thanks for joining us here at 4 o'clock on Christmas Eve. Many families already gearing up to cook a big holiday meal for their family and friends.
But health officials say there's some things that you need to know to remember in the kitchen to make sure that people are safe. News 9's Erica Rankin has those details.
Top health professionals with OU Health say one of the most important things to do when you're preparing or cooking your holiday meals is to simply follow directions carefully.
Particularly related to how you thaw meat products and other things, how you cook them and to what temperature, as well as how you store them after you've enjoyed your meal.
Dr. Rachel Franklin, a physician executive with OU Health, says many times people like to keep a large spread out for people to snack on all throughout the day. But she says that might not be the smartest thing to do.
After it's been an hour or two, you really need to be thinking about the fact that foodborne illness can start in the food that you've safely cooked. So if it's been an hour or two, it's time to put those things into a refrigerated setting to allow them to be safe when you bring them back out to enjoy later.
Another thing to keep at the top of mind is make sure the food is being served safely.
I think we've all heard that double dipping is wrong, and if COVID has taught us anything, it's that contamination of things that we put in our mouth or that we breathe, etc., causes illness.
Dr. Franklin says a good rule of thumb in that case is to put food in individualized containers that people can easily take.
If you are serving a dip and you know that you've got children who may not understand, or you know you've got that family member that just insists that it's not a problem, you might consider putting those types of items in individual serving settings so that they can take their dip with them and you can keep that dip safe.
Dr. Franklin says another way to keep your immune system strong around the holidays is to make sure you're getting an adequate amount of sleep and to stay active. In the newsroom, Erica Rankin, Oklahoma's Own News 9.